Thank you very much. We've just held the 18th session of Ibec, and I've taken over chairing this council from our president, Dr. William Ruto, and we have had very fruitful engagement. And I would like to brief you on a few things that we have agreed on, among many others. We have noted, the national government has noted the concern of county governments through the governors of delayed disbursements, and efforts will be made by the National Treasury, subject to improved collection of revenue, to try as much as possible to disburse funds to the counties in good time to enable them implement their programs and continue the service delivery. However, we have appealed to the county governments to consider our concern about the low absorption rate. We have noted today, even as the county governments complain about delayed disbursements, they continue to hold over 30 billion shillings in their accounts. And we have agreed going forward that disbursement will be informed by quick absorption of funds. Those counties that absorb quickly will get the first priority in disbursement. And therefore, we want to urge counties to put measures into place for quick absorption, which has got a positive effect on the economy by having money circulating. Number two, the governors have raised various concerns about the implementation of the equalization fund. And this has been agreed, and interventions have been agreed on, and a smaller committee has been formed to work on the details and make sure that the implementation of the equalization fund proceeds without any delay. The Council of Governors have raised concern about the place of the COG in the new dispensation. We have confirmed that intergovernmental relations are anchored in the office of the Deputy President, but we have agreed they will be under addendum to the executive order so that the Council of Governors is properly anchored in law in that particular office. We have also discussed about the transfer of functions, and we have confirmed to the Council that the Ruto administration has a political goodwill and every intention to hasten and fast-track the transfer of functions as per our Constitution. And we have given ourselves a target, a deadline of 6 months within which all functions should be transferred. And shortly, we'll be convening a meeting of all the relevant ministries to agree on the roadmap towards the final transfer of all devolved functions to the county governments. We have, from the national government, we have communicated to our governors that the Ruto administration is desirous of the best working relationship between the national government and the county government. We have explained to the governors that the new administration does not want any conflict whatsoever with the county governments, in the full realization that we are serving the same people. And going forward, you will be able to witness enhanced relations between the national government and the county governments through continuous engagement and mutual respect between the two levels of government. We have communicated to the governors today the request of His Excellency President William Ruto on various interventions on the part of the county governments to be in tandem with the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto and the plan. Specifically, we have requested governors to identify land as their contribution towards the implementation of affordable housing. Number two, we have communicated to the governors the request from the national government that they agree to participate in the distribution of subsidized fertilizer by providing the last mile intervention in terms of transport and distribution. We have also agreed that the governors continue to co-chair the county coordinating teams on matters to mitigate the drought situation in the country, which is already going on. We have also requested our governors to consider in areas that are prone to insecurity and require additional police reserves to consider to partner with the national government, where the national government will recruit more police reservists and provide arms and ammunition, while the county governments will provide stipends to keep those officers surviving and being able to do their work. And finally, we have briefed the governors on the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto on focusing on primary health care and level 1 intervention in matters of preventive medicine. And we have requested the governors to get into discussion with the national government on how to provide stipends jointly to community health volunteers so that we can strengthen the level 1 intervention on preventive medicine so that we can save costs on curative medicine. In a nutshell, that has been our meeting, and we will be having a retreat with the president, with the governors, to discuss the issues that I have outlined and to cement the good relationship between the two levels of government and agree on the way forward on how the two levels of government will work in a seamless manner, will cooperate together, will have mutual understanding and mutual respect for the benefit of the people of Kenya. I thank you.
All of you,